How's it going, guys? We're at the Birmingham NEC at Insomnia event. This is the day before it actually starts, and we're at the music store, just doing a quick setup, so you should be able to see lots of things being set up now. This is Nath, as you've probably seen from TGS Plays. What up? So we're here now. What a lovely hat you have now.
I know. It's brilliant, isn't it? Shame we don't have an offering.
What are we up to now? What's happening?
We are trying to find a place for everything. Trying to open up in front of the store so it looks good. So Sam can vlog more, he's got a nice background.
Oh, yeah.
Still just setting up. Trying to make sense of it all. Excited for tomorrow.
I'll give the music store one thing, it's got some awesome bags. Zelda, Spider-Man.
Station.
Oh. Ah. Where's the Assassin's Creed logo?
Right.
So there, I'm here now by myself at the music store. Something awesome just happened. The first person ever to recognise me, I just met. I think his name is Callum. He works here at the NEC, and he's been doing all the setup and stuff. But he came over and said hello. Him and his brother recognised the channel. It was awesome. I wish I had a picture of him now. Wish I could have asked for a picture with someone that recognised me. That'd have been cool. No. It's made it worthwhile. By the way, I've since Syndicate over there. Might try and say hello to him if I can. Ask for a picture. But yeah. See how it goes. Well, you want a quick tour around here? It's almost set up. So we've got a bit of Zelda merch, really nice. So it's obviously the music store, so there's their music stuff. So there's notepads. Any doormats that you fancy? Oh, quite nice Zelda bags. Awesome Zelda hat. Viral bag. I just want to buy it all. Some hats.
We're on hard, aren't we?
Smashing it. This is all part of Insomnia. We found the Call of Duty booth. This is part of the esports section, isn't it?
It is part of the esports section, yes.
So a big live stage up there, streaming on Twitch. So yeah,
We might be in here at some point, actually.
it would be good. Just the old TVs make it. Old Xboxes. Atari over there as well. So we've just done the first day of setup and everything, so you've probably seen all the awesome stuff before it's all done tomorrow. But it's been good. We're right by the cosplay booth. Torbjorn, Legend of Zelda Shield and everything. But it's been good. So far.
Excellent.
So next video is going to be tomorrow. So that will be at the actual booth when everything is all ready and everything. So see you guys there.
We'll try and do something on the way in.
Yes.
Get all the crowds, get all the hype.
So we'll do another time lapse. So you've seen everything now before it's all made and like nearly completed. So let's see when it's all done. It's going to be crowded as well. So
Looking forward to it.
See you guys tomorrow.
See ya.
Right then guys, welcome to day one of the MEC Insomnia. Everything's set up. We're here just before everyone comes in as well, so everything's empty, but it's all done. So, yeah, pretty cool.
They got some nice new carpet down.
Yes, they do.
I've got to work all day, but Sam gets to go and have fun.
Yeah.
We'll try and get him some freebies, but
we'll pop in.
Yeah.
Which way? Want to walk around or just sort of?
I probably need to go.
Yeah.
Let's have go on. Let's have a quick scan.
Okay, so it's the day after the first day of Insomnia, and I didn't actually get that much footage really on the main day. I got a lot of like going around, but not much vlog kind of thing. So I thought I'd cover that quickly now, just some of the stuff that I got, so I could just mention it. So I went to the PlayStation VR booth, and I got to try out 2 of the 4 games that they had. I've never tried VR before, but I tried the Resident Evil experience, which was the demo in VR. I tried that one first, and I thought that was absolutely awesome. When I was playing it, I actually really got to experience the VR-ness. Like, it's the depth of field for me. Like, things look real. When you look up at the chandelier, like, it looks like it's there and things like that. Like, it's so hard to describe. But the other one I tried was a game called Farpoint, and that was awesome because they gave you this, like, gun, and then I had the glasses things on, and then the guy put the gun in front of me. You can see it's, like, projected in front of you and stuff, so I can actually grab it without actually physically being able to see it. And then I could like walk around, and when you look at the gun in the game, it moves. You can like look all round and stuff. And like some of the best moments when I was playing that was you were going along, and just the way you can pick items up and you can look at the shotgun. I thought the shotgun looked really good, but there was this bridge bit, this little tiny thin bit of bridge, and you walked across it. When you looked down, I actually got like the feeling of vertigo because you was walking at the side of a cliff as well, and you had to like hug the wall. So, yeah, it was quite scary, really, to be honest with you. And the guy that was doing the demonstration even said to me that we have actually had people fall off and they absolutely brick themselves. So I was like, oh dear. The last awesome bit of that was you go to this, like, dark cave bit, and you're just on the outside, and this giant sort of spider creature starts walking out. But that's something you don't get in video games as you do with VR. It's the sense of scale. Like, I physically looked up to look at this monolithic creature. I just got my gun and I was like, ah. So that was awesome. Like that, honestly, if I had a PlayStation, that would have pretty much sold me on PlayStation VR. I mean, price point wise, I asked the chap afterwards, I was like, how much does a VR cost? He's like, oh, it's something like 350 or 450, I can't remember what it was. And then it was like £100 for the gun. I can't remember how much the gun was. But yeah, it's quite a big investment, but pretty cool. There were some panels on as well, a lot of creator panels. I went to a Twitch creators panel, a YouTubers creator panel, and I watched a little bit of the cosplayer panel. Obviously, I don't cosplay, but there was a girl dressed up on stage as Diva, so I was just hooked into looking at it straight away. But then there was giving like tips on how to create cosplay designs and things like that, so I was like, don't really know what's going on here, so I just left. But the YouTube and Twitch panels that I went to were actually quite informative. Unfortunately, I didn't actually know the YouTubers or the Twitch streamers that were actually there at the time. So, yeah, I didn't know them, unfortunately. But I think they were quite big people in the YouTube and Twitch community. But I was listening to some of their advice, some of the questions that they were getting asked, and I was like, okay, I guess I can apply this to my own YouTube stuff. So I actually quite like the panels. The Yogscast was there, the Minecraft YouTubers. I've only ever watched their stuff once. I know it's something in Lewis, but they were like walking around doing signings. Unfortunately, I don't watch them, so I never really went to watch them. Syndicate was there as well. He was doing t-shirt signings, as you've seen in the picture as well, and probably in the vlog from earlier. I actually got to meet him before and said hello to him and stuff, and that was pretty awesome. As well, there was an Intel Alienware booth, and I literally went in there, and I saw someone was playing Overwatch on the PC, and I've never played Overwatch PC, but I would say I'm pretty good at Overwatch, so when I saw this kid playing, I was just like watching him play for a sec, and this chap came over to me and says, do you want to have a go on the Alienware like laptop thing? And I was like, I don't mind, sure. He says, oh, there's a prize. If you come first, you can win a computer thing. If you come second, you win a backpack, and blah, blah, blah. I was like, yeah, all right then, I'll go for it. So I went on Overwatch, tried to figure out how to play with the WAS and the mouse and key, and obviously I've never played like a shooter like that, so in my personal opinion, I did absolutely awful. So I was expected to come like dead last. I got 21 kills in this skirmish match. Ended up coming first place, which I was really surprised about. Couldn't believe it, but at the end of the day, I came back and I saw that I was in fourth. If I was savvy with PC controls, I reckon I probably could have possibly got like first or second or third place at the end of the week. But that's what you needed. You had to be in first towards the end of the week. So, yeah, I don't think I was going to win, but that would have been cool if I was. But that, again, pretty damn cool playing on PC. Just how smooth it was on the Alienware stuff. It was good. This one I was actually really surprised about. Towards the start of the day, I went to, there's this little Zelda booth thing, and they set up this Master Sword thing from Breath of the Wild. And I asked the chap that was there, I was like, excuse me, can I have a photo with that? And he was like, oh, not yet, it's not set up and stuff. I'll come back later. So towards the middle of the day, I saw there was like someone cosplaying as Link that was sort of taking pictures with people there. And I didn't really want a picture with him because, you know, it's not the real Link. But I went back later when he was gone. And I asked the new chap that was there, I was like, can I have a picture of this? He was like, yeah, sure. Took a picture of me. And as I was about to walk away, this other person comes up to me and says, excuse me, do you play Zelda? And I was like, yeah. And he goes, have you played the newest Zelda? Have you completed everything? I was like, yeah. It's like, oh, would you mind doing an interview with us? I was like, sure. So turns out they were from Nintendo, the YouTube Nintendo channel, I'm pretty sure that's what they said there was. And they basically asked me all these Breath of the Wild questions, just like, what was your favourite moment? What did you think of this? Blah, blah, blah. And I answered them all. And yeah, I think it was all right. The interview was like really fit as well, the woman that was doing it. So I was like, that's a plus. But yeah, pretty cool. Keep an eye out on the Nintendo YouTube channel because I might feature on there. We'll have to see. Another thing that happened as well, I went to the music store booth when my friend Nathan was working. I was just talking to him for a bit, and then this girl came over and started talking to us. And she talked with us for like 10 minutes. She was talking about mainly the music store and just some of the guitars and things, how she was like interested in music. And as I was leaving the convention, I look up at the giant monitor on screen that's being like Twitch streamed. And I was like, that's the girl that was just talking to us. So she must have been like a Twitch streamer or something. I just had no idea. I got some pictures of some other stuff. There was a booth that sold like knives that looked like they're from CSGO, but they looked quite snazzy anyway. There was loads and loads of Overwatch cosplayers there. I wish I could have took a picture of some of them, but the best one that I saw was definitely the Widowmaker one. She looked awesome. There was a lot of Minecraft stuff there. It was like, I'd say 30% Minecraft related stuff. Got a picture of Nath in the Titanfall helmet, which you could buy super cheap. I kind of wish I did now, but yeah, pretty cool. We also found Batman. There were loads of prints and t-shirts you could have bought, so I took a picture of some of them. But yeah, that was pretty much my Insomnia experience. If any of you guys went, then let me know what your experience is. Did you have anything cool that you saw there? Other than that, thank you for watching. See you next time.